The Adventures of Billy and the Strange Noise. One day Billy was licking a pair of scissors. Suddenly Billy heard a strange noise. He must investigate. Billy dropped the scissors and ran. He ran into another room. The other room contained the source of a strange noise. Billy was very excited. He leaped onto the strange source. Sad. Billy was wrong about the origin of a strange noise. He was very sad. Billy began to cry. Then a candle started talking to Billy. It said,
"Billy, listen to me. I am a candle. Go to sleep, and you will know the meaning of life."
Billy was very excited. He ran into his room and leaped into bed. To go to sleep, he sang a lullaby.
Until the festive Gloria me Bethanic Story Therapy you can white sheet from your hidden north fifth row you having black books and cover you up with dirt and rocks and elbows well for about a weekend the near cathin begins to lack thumes prolapse thumes play pinnacle on ears not fade erase failure no stay up fendy lamp between ears and greenworm with rolling deskrils in ears stomach and other erase ears stomach turns a slim in green and puff puffs out like whipping cream.
In his dreams, Billy met a paintbrush. It tickled his nose and he learned the meaning of life. Billy woke up and decided to tell his learnings to the world. But he was still fat. The end.